Hello everybody, this is Bradley Sward. In this video today is the 2022 Advent of Code Day 12 solution for part 2 of hill climbing algorithm, and this is going to be a very short video. So if you followed along with part 1, basically I'm trying to figure out a shortest path to get from point A to point B, some kind of pathfinding algorithm. And in my case, for whatever reason, while I was doing part 1, I decided to go from the end position and work my way backwards, which made this super easy. So for part 1, I got a solution of 420 for the solution from going from a specific starting point to a specific ending point. But in this case, again, I was starting and was working my way backwards, which made this hilariously easy for me on the part 2. And so you can see my answer is 414. And the reason for this is that by going backwards, instead of searching for a specific end position, all I have to do is search that square to see if it's an A. That's it. And honestly, it was like all of my code from before, all this ugly code, all I did was change this one line here to say, what was it before? Let me put it back. Oop. Literally, all it was before was this guy, and now, because it was checking to see if a specific position was met, and then now I'm replacing it with just checking to see if I'm in a path and my current position happens to be where a letter A is, I'm done. And this is going to take a couple seconds, maybe 45 seconds or so to compute, because this is inefficient as all heck, but it gets me to the solution of 414 when it prints out whatever it prints out. So basically, by working my way backwards, it was easy to find. Otherwise, what would you be thinking? Let's find every position where there's an A and just work that over and over again. In my case, that would take, let's see, 900, it would probably take a day or so to figure out the actual answer to that, because if you're testing every position and you're just basically hard coding and you're not even looking at anything previous, that's why that A-star pathfinding algorithm is such an amazing thing, because it kind of figures out everything all at one time in one swoop. It doesn't do like what I'm doing here and just kind of hard coding it for one specific path. But there you go. There's my 414. There's my solution with one line changed. And definitely going to be moving on to day 13 soon here. So have a great day, everybody. Thanks for sticking it out with me as always. And take care. We'll see you in the other future.